In this video we are going to create a beautiful label that appears on the chart and that will show us the ask price. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that displays the current ask price on the chart as a label. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. The code begins with the OnTick function, which is executed every time a new tick is received for the symbol. Inside this function, we first retrieve the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function. The parameters for this function are score symbol, which represents the current symbol, and symbol ask, which specifies that we want the ask price. The retrieved price is then normalized to the number of digits specified by digits to ensure it is formatted correctly. Next, we create a label object on the chart using the ObjectCreate function. The parameters for this function are 0, which represents the current chart, label1 as the name of the object, ObjLabel to specify that we are creating a label, and the last two parameters are 0, which are placeholders for the time and price coordinates that are not needed for a label. We then set various properties for the label object using the ObjectSetString and ObjectSetInteger functions. First, we set the font of the label to impact using ObjectSetString with parameters 0, label1, ObjPropFont, and impact. Next, we set the font size to 24 using ObjectSetInteger with parameters 0, label1, ObjPropFontSize, and 24. To display the ask price, we set the text of the label using ObjectSetString with parameters 0, label1, ObjPropText, and ask price concatenated with the ask price. This ensures that the label shows the current ask price. We also set the position of the label on the chart. The distance from the left border is set to 5 pixels using ObjectSetInteger with parameters 0, label1, ObjPropXDistance, and 5. Similarly, the distance from the upper border is set to 10 pixels using ObjectSetInteger with parameters 0, label1, ObjPropYDistance, and 10. Finally, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart displaying the ask price as a label. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that displays the current ask price on the chart using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope your label is working. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't know what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find it on our website. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.